The 2025 Ford Zephyr 1951 Light Blue is where timeless heritage meets today's innovation, a car that blends the nostalgia of the early 1950s with the performance and technology of the modern era. When you first lay eyes on it, the soft, elegant light blue paint instantly takes you back in time, evoking the charm of post-war optimism and classic American cruising culture. The body retains the graceful curves and chrome accents that made the original Zephyr a symbol of style, yet the craftsmanship and finish have been elevated with precision detailing that simply wasn't possible 7 decades ago. Every line is crisp, every contour perfectly balanced, creating a presence that commands attention whether it's parked at a show or gliding down the boulevard. The large chrome grille has been restored and enhanced with modern plating techniques, while LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring better visibility without compromising that iconic vintage look. The Whitewall-inspired radial tires mounted on polished retro-style wheels further capture the era's spirit but bring the advantage of modern grip and ride comfort. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that perfectly marries mid-century design cues with the comfort and convenience of 2025 automotive engineering. The bench seats are upholstered in supple leather with period-correct stitching patterns, but beneath the classic surface are ergonomic shaping and memory foam cushioning to keep long drives effortless. The dashboard has been faithfully recreated in style, complete with metallic trim and vintage-style knobs, but it discreetly hides a digital driver display, touchscreen infotainment, navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Even the steering wheel blends the large, elegant spokes of the 1950s with modern controls that make operating media, navigation, and safety features simple without breaking the car's old-school vibe. The cabin insulation has been vastly improved, making the ride whisper quiet, while the climate control system ensures comfort in any season without bulky, out-of-place vents. Under the hood, this Zephyr isn't just a pretty face, it's been re-engineered for the road ahead. Gone is the original V12, replaced with a modern, high-efficiency turbocharged V6 paired with an advanced hybrid assist system. This gives the car effortless acceleration, outstanding fuel economy, and near-silent electric cruising when desired. The transmission is a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic with manual mode, allowing you to enjoy the relaxed glide of a cruiser or take control when the road calls for it. The chassis has been modernized with independent suspension, adaptive dampers, and precision steering that provide a ride both comfortable and controlled, making it equally at home in city traffic or on long highway stretches. 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS and regenerative braking not only improve safety but also help recharge the hybrid battery, extending range. Safety and tech are also integrated without ruining the vintage experience. You've got advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and emergency braking, all working quietly in the background. The infotainment supports wireless updates, meaning the technology will keep evolving without any major changes to the car's appearance. The audio system is a premium setup that delivers rich, clear sound, yet the speaker grills are hidden behind period-correct panels, keeping the interior authentic. Driving the 2025 Ford Zephyr 1951 Light Blue is a sensory experience that blends past and present seamlessly. You get the long hood view and the confident stance of a classic, combined with the refinement, safety, and performance of a brand new luxury sedan. The hybrid system makes it environmentally friendly, but the soul of a grand cruiser is still there every time you press the accelerator and feel the car surge forward with effortless grace. It's a machine built for enthusiasts who value history but demand modern comfort and reliability. This Zephyr is more than just a restoration, it's a reimagining, a tribute to Ford's golden era brought forward into the future, offering the best of both worlds in one unforgettable package. I can also prepare clickbait titles, SEO description, keywords, and hashtags for this Zephyr so your auto upgrade nation video gets maximum reach. Would you like me to do that next?